Hey everybody, do we have a One World wallet for crypto? Well, you're about to check this out. The European Union wants its digital identity wallet accepted internationally. Well, isn't that something? One big happy family, everybody under control of one entity. You gotta love it. The end times are coming like tomorrow. This wallet here, now where does all this come from? Well, Ripple back 10, 11 years ago, with a bunch of other companies, they already developed your what's so-called new digital framework for digital ID, everybody. Congratulations. You've been waiting 11 years for this to roll out. Now it's finally rolling out. I've been showing you guys this for a couple years now. Ripple had all this planned out with these companies. Let's look here. They also had a digital wallet back around 2014. Just want to let you know. Now, control over the XRP ledger is in France, which is in Europe. Ripple's first bank was in Germany, by the way, and that transferred to control of the French. Ripple already in HTTP 402, Ripple has some called the Interledger Protocol with Codius that they already put into the internet. So it's already running, the internet's already running on XRP ledger already. Oh, just by the way, the Digital Euro Association, yeah, they're a partner of Ripple. My name's Crypto Hulk. I'm going to show you the best cryptos to get. Copy that link right up there. Or go to my channel right there, bottom left corner. Kaylen Brown, 2,000 of the world's biggest banks and financial institutions utilize Fireblocks. Kaylen Brown does too. So if Kaylen Brown has the same custody protection that all the top banks in the world have, I'll see y'all 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific time on YouTube.